Now go down to products. And then from here, click into categories. So depending on what types of products you sell on your e-commerce website, it's definitely worth creating product categories. That way you can easily organize all of your different products. And on top of that, it makes it way easier for your customers to find the products they're looking for. Here on the right-hand side, you're going to see some auto-generated categories. We're not going to need these, so let's go ahead and delete them. Click on the checkbox here to highlight all of them, then click into bulk actions, and then delete. Press apply, and it's going to delete all of the auto-generated categories. Now for my first category, I'm going to name this coffee grounds. Go ahead and put whatever makes sense for your products here. As for the slug, I'm just going to name this coffee-grounds. This is what's going to come at the end of the URL. It's not a big deal, just put something that makes sense here. Now here under parent category, you don't need to do this unless this is a subcategory of another product. So for example, if I had an electronics category and I was making a new category for headphones, then that would go into the electronics parent category. But in this case, I'm just going to leave this as none. Then let's add a quick description. Shop all of our coffee grounds in one place. Depending on your theme, this may or may not show up, but it's worth quickly adding it. Next, you can upload a thumbnail if you want to. I'll go ahead and upload a simple thumbnail here. With that uploaded, I'll click on Use Image, and then click on Add New Category. Now if I scroll up to the top, I now have a coffee grounds product category. Now go ahead and do this exact same process for the rest of the product categories that you want to create for your e-commerce website. For now, I'm just going to create the single coffee grounds category.